The Challenge 1 model about the customer service center is ready, but there's a detail regarding statistics that has to be fixed, and I'll do it right now. Check it out. Hello, this is William, and today I'll work on a sequence of the customer service center model created in Plant Simulation. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go to the video in the card you see right now, then come back later to this one I'm calling the part 2 to watch the whole thing. In part 1, I had used a chart to see the utilization of the customer service representatives, or CSRs. They are created with a parallel station, and I used an attribute that would not reflect the expected value. It's so high because the CSR's utilization goes to 100% as soon as the customer call is served, regardless of the real number of simultaneous services being provided. If I had used several independent station blocks for the CSRs, I wouldn't face that situation, but in terms of modeling, it would demand more effort. With that said, I'll fix the chart by using a more appropriate attribute from CSRs. Here's the thing, since the CSR's block represents all servers at the same time, I'll use a number that summarizes their utilization, taking into account that we will not know which CSR served which customer call. Basically, the calculation is this. Once there are 5 CSRs, 6 different numbers of customer calls can be served at the same time, from 0 to 5. Each number represents a percentage of the CSR's utilization, and in this case, 5 is 100%. Each number of CSRs working will also occupy a portion of time, hence leading to a percentage of the simulation time. If we multiply the percentages of CSR's utilization and simulation time, we'll know the CSR's utilization per number of customer calls served at the same time. The sum of all values will then summarize the CSR's utilization, in this case 50%. The numbers you see are from the same particular run from part 1. Now let's fix the chart in Plant Simulation. You can see the utilization of the CSRs is reaching 90%, and that's not the expected value. I'll just open the chart and click on Input Channels to see the attributes being used. I'll delete these ones and enter the new attribute that will bring the number I just showed you in the table. It is stat relative occupation. I'll also change its type to columns. Alright, it looks like it's pretty close to 50%, and that matches the number calculated. Concluding the model. That was a particular approach to address that statistics detail, but of course there are other ways to do so. Let me know what you think. If you have ideas for other challenges, questions, suggestions, etc., they're all welcome. Also drop your like, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you soon.